All right, so remember, just a reminder that the main idea of this book is survival, and then he is constantly showing that he's resilient and being able to survive. I think maybe one thing that we could add here is that Brian, has recovered from several injuries, which goes along with him, doing his best to survive. So the first one, the plane crash, the porcupine needles, him getting all those mosquito bites, and then now his major injury of the moose charging him as well. We still don't know if he's going to get home. We still don't know if he's going to find his dad. We're thinking that we might find out this one about the plane in our